This is my British fiance, and today we're trying an
Hey.
American treat that he's never had before. Popcorn. Do you guys have popcorn in the UK?
Popcorn? I've never heard of it.
Well, it's delicious.
Is this it?
Yeah, it's corn that is popped.
Does it contain corn syrup?
No, just corn.
It does actually. I'm not sure how I feel about
Just
this.
eat it.
Like, tell me what it is.
Just eat it.
We've definitely not got anything like this in England.
Never, none, nothing.
No, I mean I've never seen it anyway. Do you know what? Not bad. Not bad. It's salty. It's sweet. Yeah.
Better than the Vienna sausage you just ate.
Jeez, yeah. Do you know what, America? You turned it around tonight for me. Thumbs up.